Hey guys, Chef Jason, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. Today, we're gonna show you how to use the charcoal heat controller on your 22-inch Weber kettle. This thing is an absolute must-have for that low and slow or that extreme high heat searing. So let's dig in, let's get started. Well, obviously in front of me, we have my well-used and well-loved charcoal heat controller, but I wanted to show you what comes in every box. So in the box, you're going to get the cone, right, or the center of the heat controller, and then you're gonna get 4 diffuser panels that you're going to put together to become the giant round diffuser that will sit on top of the cone. So next up, we'll show you how to build the diffuser and get it all ready for use. All right, so for the diffuser rings, what we'll do is assemble them in half like so. And now we'll go ahead and we'll just get this guy kind of lined up here a little bit like that. We'll leave it loose just a little bit. We'll come through and get this side lined up like that and then push them together like, come here, get over here. Hey, get back here right now. Push them together just like that. You are set to go. Your diffuser ring is now built. Let's talk a little bit about the features and benefits of the charcoal heat controller. As you can see, we have it set up, right? We have the diffuser and the cone, and we're gonna head out to the grill and show it to you live. But before we get out there, I wanna just give you a quick little features and benefits. Now, the cone, imagine that charcoal sitting inside the cone, channeling that heat right into this area, giving you that extreme searing. That cone is great because, like I said, it will keep things super, super hot, supercharge your heat, and give you some really hot, beautiful sears. Now, when I add the diffuser rings, imagine, if you will, all that charcoal sitting under here, now allowing me to cook indirect. So I'll put my charcoal here and I can cook indirect, keeping my food in the center. But like I said, the beautiful part is when it comes time to sear, I can add a load of charcoal in the middle and get that hot sear. So on the low and slower indirect side, if I have my coals here, looking at 7 hours, depending on how you load your charcoal, of indirect cooking, and that is super, super helpful. So the ring gives you that indirect, the cone gives you that direct with hot searing. Put them together, you've got an amazing charcoal heat controller. Now, let's head out to the grill. We're gonna see him in action. So we put the cone in the middle. It is time to add our charcoal around the edge. We're getting set up for a little bit of indirect cooking. Now, like I said, depending on how heavy you load this, you can get up to 7 hours. We're just gonna do a little bit. Now we'll add the ring, and thank you so much. Now we'll add the grate, and just like that, we are set up to do a little bit of indirect cooking with some of these amazing chicken wings. We did indirect cooking, and now it is time to do direct cooking. So I have just the fire grate on the bottom. What I'm going to do is carefully pour that charcoal dead center because I want it to be under the cone. But now, don't worry about it, because if I don't get it directly there, we're gonna restack this charcoal up carefully, and then we're gonna get that cone on there, just like so. Now we are setting ourselves up for some blistering direct heat. Look at that. You can already see that coming off there. So guess what? Time to grill up those chicken wings now. Talk about another great tool to have on that Weber kettle. Now, stay tuned, because coming up, I've got another helpful video showing you how to adjust and maintain temperature on your kettle. That coming up next.